action.
Hello guys, today we're going to weld the floor pieces to the cowl or the front panel and the firewall. All those parts coming from wild horses, so they look pretty good. Now we're gonna try to weld from the center to the side. That way it's gonna go more rigid and the build is gonna be more strong. So we decided to get a new parts because the other ones are very rusty. So we cannot save it. We try to give them a good quality job, this guy, and I think we're gonna be successful. So far so good. We got all the gaps good. The poles are well, and now everything is good. Now we're gonna weld the center of the couch, and we're gonna continue to check the gaps. Right now we got the mount, chassis, and floor already bolted. So that's going to be the project of today.
Hey, I got your lunch, a double with double cheese.
Okay, don't eat it. No cheese?
Double cheese. The machine Umberto loves to hate. He likes the blue welder, not the yellow welder. What do you call this kind of welding?
doing a plug weld.
A plug weld?
Blow weld. Now it's welding the rocker panel, kick panel. Welding up the cowl. Whoa.